What's the meaning of boisterous? Boisterous. Boisterous.
Boisterous. Boisterous. Boisterous means noisy, energetic, and lacking in restraint or discipline. This word is often used to describe people, particularly children, who are loud and rambunctious. A boisterous person might be seen as enthusiastic and lively, but their behavior can sometimes be disruptive or even dangerous. For example, a boisterous child might knock over tables or break objects while playing, while a boisterous group of teenagers might cause a disturbance in a public space. In general, boisterous behavior can be seen as both positive and negative, depending on the context and the level of control exerted by the person or people involved.